Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro, and this corner cap has got to go. So if you have a Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper with a metal style roof, especially a smaller model, your unit likely has corner caps. These are plastic caps that seal the ends of the roof. Over the course of manufacturing for 30 years, Coleman and Fleetwood had developed 3 different styles of caps. Later, they decided to make one more universal cap kit to best fit 2 out of 3. This is a style that is now available again at our web store. You can find information on helping determine if these caps will fit your camper by using your parts book. And please take a look at my video, how to look up your camper's part numbers to help assure you do have the correct fit. We also highly recommend that you double check with measurements of your old caps before ordering. You can also give us a call for assistance. If you're ready, let's get started. First, remove the screws. Next, cut the old silicone. Now using a 501, pry the old cap off. Next, we want to go ahead and clean up the area, remove any of the old insulation or butyl tape. I find a heat gun works good in getting the area clean. On our project camper today, this 2001 Taos that we're replacing the cap on, we see that the cap that came off is slightly shorter than the cap from our kit. So in this instance, I removed some of the bottom section off of our replacement cap. To do this, I took the old cap, set it inside the new one, I scored a line, and I used a chop saw just to remove the bottom portion to make it the correct size. To install our cap, we're going to want to install some butyl tape to the inside. To do this, we can use our corner cap installation kit and the screws that are provided. Before using this kit, you do want to make sure that the screw lengths are close to your original screws. These are a little bit too long for this roof, so we're going to be reusing the old screws for this application. You can also purchase a roll of butyl tape, and that's what we'll be using for this job. So for the butyl tape, I want to install the tape to just about here and here and down the length. I'm not going to put too much up here on this top corner. So I get my lengths and make my cuts. And we'll cut 2 pieces. Remove the backing and press the tape in. Now we'll place our cap on the corner, press it firmly into place, and on this application the top screw hole should line up, and we'll have to pilot the other two. That one caught. And that one caught. For the bottom four, we'll go ahead and pilot holes and install the remaining screws. Now, our bottom two holes on this camper are a little too close to comfort to the bottom of the roof edge, so we're going to pilot two more holes a little farther up and just close these guys up with some silicone. Next, caulk the sides and across the top. I recommend 100% pure silicone. And it's fixed. The roof corner is protected again, water can no longer get in, and this camper can bring years of more enjoyment for you and your family and friends. The one style cap that we know won't work with this version are the fatter, wider caps found on typically 1980 models. I have heard customers say they were able to make these caps work by heating up the tops and deforming them slightly to make them lip over more. I would like to see what you did and how you did it. I have tried and the results were not acceptable. So if you do have another tip, another hack, another trick to make these caps work on that roof cap version, please let us know. Share with me and the rest of the community in the comments below.